Yan, for today's vlog, pupunta kami dito Bebeng sa palayan. Mag-harvest kami ng palay. Mag-aani pala kami ng palay. Yan, kaya samahan nyo kami. Naglalakad lang kami today kasi hindi kami sinundo. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kaganda. So what's up guys, nandito kami ngayon sa bahay ating ating kung gaano kaganda yung palay. Sikat. Ganyan guys. Kaya gaano kahirap magtanim oh. Gaano kahirap magtanim kaya magtanim kasi may bigas. Kasi mga magkasaka dugot pawis sila kinikita nila dito.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Okay. Kasi time-lapse mo.
Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. Fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and then you're moving in another direction. Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now. Yeah.
Guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys.
Wakan mo nga.
Tingnan nyo.
May nakita ako, ayun.
Ay, Rino. Iilang ako ah. Sige, kuha ka lang.
Ay, hindi ko alam kung luto siya, B. Ay, hindi siya lutuin.
Huwag mo muna,
Kala ko
iilang ako.
luto.
I-post mo muna. Okay.
Bata may laban.
Guys, ang dami guys, so kukuhanin natin to kasi pwede na to. Mga ganito kalalaki. Ito pa. Yun o. Guys, oh. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. Sarap.
Goy mo dun.
Akyatin ko. Oh, hindi pa yung pwede. Saglit lang guys, akyatin ko.
Do.
Ano kayo dito, sama kayo sa amin. Sabi po. Sabi po. Taga-bunto kasi ako. Hello guys! Yan, dito na matatapos yung aking video. Ayan, keep safe palagi. Maraming salamat sa mga manunood sa mga kalokohan kong ginagawa sa buhay. Maraming salamat. Keep safe and God bless. Bye!
Di para kang tanga bilat, alam binapapansin mo. Eng ka ba?
Kailangan yun.
Ayun guys, ang ganda daw ng ibon. Nasaan ang ibon?
Baka wala na.